Welcome to Action Verbs Part 4. In this lesson, we will learn 5 important everyday verbs. Play, work, help, clean, and wash. These are action verbs that describe things we do every day. Let's learn each one carefully. The first verb is play. Play means to engage in activity for enjoyment or recreation. We play when we do something fun. For example, I play soccer every weekend. She plays the piano beautifully. They play video games together. Notice how plays adds "-se" when we use it with she, he, or it. The second verb is work. Work means to perform a job or task or to be employed. We work to earn money and accomplish things. For example, he works as a teacher at the school. We work hard to achieve our goals. She works in the office from 9 to 5. Again, we add "se" to work when we talk about he, she, or it. The third verb is help. Help means to assist or support someone in doing something. When we help, we give support to others. For example, can you help me with this homework? They help their neighbor with groceries. I always help my friends when they need me. The "se" is added when we use it with he, she, or it. The fourth verb is clean. Clean means to make something free from dirt or mess. We clean to keep things organized and tidy. For example, I clean my room every Saturday morning. She cleans the kitchen after dinner. They clean the house before guests arrive. Like the other verbs, we add "se" for he, she, or it. The fifth verb is wash. Wash means to clean something with water and soap. We wash to remove dirt and germs. For example, I wash my hands before eating. She washes her clothes every Sunday. They wash the car in the morning. Remember to add "se" when you use it with he, she, or it. Now let's see how these verbs change in the present tense. With I, you, we, and they, we use the base form. I play, you work, we help, they clean. With he, she, and it, we add "se" to the end. He plays, she works, it helps. This is an important rule to remember. The "se" is used only for the third person singular, which means he, she, or it. Let's review the important points. Action verbs describe what someone is doing. Play, work, help, clean, and wash are everyday verbs that we use often. Remember to add "se" or "is" for the third person singular form, which is he, she, or it. Finally, practice using these verbs in real conversations to become more confident with English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.